Hi Libra, this is your reading for the coming week, that is the 8th of February to the 14th of February 2021. Libra, this is your Valentine week reading. Let's see what messages want to come through for Libra. Libra, take a deep breath in. Allow the messages and energies to flow freely. Whatever comes in, comes in. Whatever needs to leave, allow it to leave. Breathe out any stress, any negative emotions that you're holding on to. Libra, the message is for you. Let's see what's the message. Sorry about that. Alright, Libra, you get higher power and then you get a message in a bottle. Feels like the universe is trying to communicate something to you, Libra. Some of you guys might be receiving downloads from your guides. Tap into it. Sit with yourself. Sit in meditation. I would always encourage meditation. Sit with yourself. Your soul is speaking to you, I feel. Some of you, somebody might be coming into your life with a message. And it could be very divinely guided into your life. No matter what it is, whether it's going to teach you a lesson or whether it's going to give you a long-term stability, long-term relationship, long-term love, whatever it is, learn from whatever situation life brings in to you. Yeah, those were in gaps, but yes. Allow energies to flow in freely. Be in the state of flow, absolute surrender and acceptance of what it is, whatever it is, however it is. Libra, if this message is for you, you would know. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Alright. Libra, let's see what messages want to come through for you. Four of Cups. All right. Libra, deep breath. All right. Libra, the overall energy for your reading for the coming week is Four of Cups. Some of you guys could be a little stuck in your minds about past. Or if you all are sitting for meditation, you all might be having these flashes of whatever you have experienced in the past. Just make sure to see whatever universe is trying to deliver to you, whatever message is coming in. Make sure you're open to receiving it. In the recent past, you have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. Some sort of new beginning, but in between the new beginning, there is a lot of sadness. Before I talk about it, let's clarify the Five of Cups. Wow, okay. The first card is the Ten of Swords. Can I have some clarity on the Ace of Swords as well, please? Ace of Swords, please. That's it. Okay, some sort of new beginning here, Libra, in your past, I do sense for some of y'all. The new beginning, I do sense that even before it started, it was over. Maybe this message is for some of y'all, may not resonate with all or most of you guys. But something that kept you in your mind. Let's do this. Alright, there is something that you manifested, Libra. So I'm not sure if this is a relationship, a work life, what situation this is, but definitely something that you manifested. But this is something you manifested out of your fears, out of your mindset, negative mindset. And that is why even before it started, it was over. This I feel like I'm tapping into two different energies. You might have moved from a very in the mind, in the head kind of a relationship. Could have been very conversational kind of relationship to a very pentacly, a very materialistic. When I say materialistic, it's not negative. A very practical, a very stable relationship. You could have moved from, honestly, you could have moved from an air sign to an earth sign as well. So take whatever resonates with you. But I do sense two different energies. You were in a relationship in the past that kept you a lot in your mind. You thought that this is going to bring you emotional fulfillment, but I don't quite think that it did bring, because there is a tower there and you've manifested out of your mindset, out of a negative trapped mindset, and that's why it had to come to an end. For some of you, y'all may be happy that this is over and y'all have moved into something better. Okay, Libra, this new beginning, this pentacly stable, practical, materialistic new beginning, it could be a new job for some of you. There is some sort of balance that has happened or is happening for some of you with that particular aspect, with whatever new thing you've stepped into currently. Just make sure before going forward you are healing your past. If these are two different relationships that you all are dealing with, you all have dealt with in the past and now in the present, make sure that you're not still feeling the energy of the previous relationship, because I do see you moving forward, but you are not out of the past energy quite yet. In the immediate future, in the present itself, let's talk about the present. You have the World, the Chariot, and the Five of Swords. Something that you have ended, something that is completed, and from which you are moving forward is quite unhealed. Like I said, the Five of Swords showing up, you may feel that you don't deserve something better. You may feel that you could be sabotaging your relationships with your mindset. I think some of you or most of you, Libra, get out of your mind. I guess this is the same thing that I've mentioned in the reading for mid-February. If you watched my video, get out of the mindset that you have, the loss mindset that is bringing in endings in relationships, or these mindsets are the ones that are manifesting maybe relationships that no longer serve for your highest good. In the immediate future, Libra, you have 4 of Swords, 8 of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. Here I do see you definitely working on yourself and healing any trauma that you are carrying from the past. I do see you emotionally detaching and stepping on your own journey so that you can find and put in work on yourself. If you continue staying in this energy of 4 of Swords, 8 of Cups, of constant healing and putting in the work and effort that needs to be put into ourselves first, then we have to give to others. First, give to yourselves, Libra. If you continue staying in this energy, you could attract the right kind of person, and I guess that's what the oracle was talking about. Continue being in this energy. There is definitely something coming into your life. I do sense it very, very clearly. Get out of the patterns, Libra. Get out of the patterns that you are creating. If you all are in third-party situations, please time to move out of it. If some of you, there could be some stuck in a third-party relationship, time to move forward from that. I do see a lot of 3s in the reading. So if you all are in any third party, please free yourself from that energy. There could be something new coming in for you. Wow, Libra. There could be somebody coming in long-term relationship. I do sense an equal give and take here. Libra, keep constantly being in the healing mode. Heal yourself. Walk on your journey irrespective of whether you are alone or with someone. Keep walking towards your highest self. Please ignore the background noises. Sorry about that. Alright, Libra, I guess we really have some good things coming up for you for the coming week. The Valentine's week, you might be receiving some message of love from somebody. For some of you, this could go the distance. Alright, Libra, that's the message I have for you guys. Hope this resonated with you. If not, please watch out for your moon, your rising, Venus or Jupiter. Alright, until next time, Libras, see you soon. Bye-bye.